Namaskar Gurukulians, class 11, subject economics. How are you? I hope you all are fine and doing your study with me along with these video lectures. Today we shall start. Our topic is frequency diagram. Frequency diagram, histogram, polygon and ajaib. Chapter 7, frequency diagrams, histogram, polygon and ajaib. These are the content of this chapter. We shall study the three contents. Main contents are histogram, polygon and ajaib. Firstly, I will tell you about the frequency diagram. It is the diagrammatically presentation of frequency distribution. Frequency distribution means frequency is distributed, it means within a range. In such series, value of variable repeat themselves number of times. That is, different value of variable happen to occur. For example, I am telling you this is given. Suppose class intervals and frequency. That you have done in chapter 4, classification and organization of data. How to make this? This is a continuous series and known as distribution of frequency. Frequency is distributed here and you will show in a diagrammatically presentation by the help of histogram, polygon and ajaib. Today we shall discuss two topics in this video, that is histogram and polygon. Histogram are of two types. One is equal distribution and second is unequal distribution. Okay. First, histogram I am telling. Histogram is a graphical presentation of frequency distribution of a continuous series. Suppose this is a continuous series. Five, 8, 7 or 10 it is. So, what we shall do? We shall make it like this. Class interval I will show on x axis and frequency I will show on y axis. Maximum 10, 0 to 10, 5. Second, 10 to 28. Next, 20 to 37. Next, 30 to 40, 10. You will draw like this. This is known as histogram. Histogram. Okay, beta? So, I am telling you about the histogram. Histogram are drawn only when data are in the form of grouped or frequency distribution or data in the form of frequency distribution of continuous series. It never you can draw in discrete series. Okay, beta? That's why the name of the chapter is frequency diagrams. It means what you have to do, you will make it with the help of frequency distribution. Okay, beta? Now, we shall discuss about the histogram. There are two types of histogram. One is equal class intervals and second is unequal class intervals. Histograms. One is equal class intervals. So first we shall discuss equal class intervals. I am going to make, suppose this is a series. Class intervals. This is, I am taking 0 to 70. This is the marks you will write. Marks of the students. This is 0 to 70, 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, that will be in the continuation way, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60 and 60 to 70. Frequency, the number of students who score the marks in between, that is 5, 10, 15, 20, 12, 5, 10, 15, 20, 12, 8, 4. In this series, what you have to do? You have to show it with a histogram. So that is given. I am going to start. Histogram. Class intervals are equal. So I will make it equal. 0 to 10, I am writing here, these are the marks, and this one is frequency. It means number of students who scores this marks. This is number of students. Let's start. 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So let's start. Maximum is 20 and minimum is 4. I am taking 5, 10, 15, 20. Let's start. 0 to 10, this is 5, like this. Next is 10 to 20, 10. Next 20 to 30, 15. Next 30 to 40, 20. Next 40 to 50, 12. Next 50 to 60, 8. Next 60 to 70, that is 4. This is histogram with equal class intervals, because class intervals are equal. Next is histogram of unequal class interval. In unequal class intervals, there will be some adjustments. After these adjustments, you will show in a same way that diagram. But what is the adjustment? I will tell you. That is unequal class intervals. Histogram of unequal class intervals. Unequal class intervals. Unequals I am taking. Firstly, I am taking unequal, it means intervals are not equal. At some places, these are different. I am taking weekly wages and number of workers. That is weekly wages and number of workers. Firstly, I will write the statement. After that, I will tell you how to solve it. Weekly wages, I am taking 10 to 15, 15 to 20, till it is equal. then 20 to 25, 25 to 30. Next, now it is going to start unequal. 30 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80. Okay, number of workers, that is 7, 10, 27, 7, 10, 27, then 15, 12, 12, 8. Firstly, you will see this series is unequal class intervals will be there. So, firstly what we have to do? We have to make some adjustment in. Then that adjustment you will show in histogram. So, let us start the adjustment. Firstly, we have to find adjustment factor. Adjustment factor. There is one formula to find adjustment factor. What is the formula? Concerned class interval upon में lowest class interval. Formula is adjustment factor that is concerned class interval upon lowest interval, lowest class interval. According to the formula, let us we start. After adjustment factor, we will find frequency density. Frequency density. So, let us start. Firstly, we shall find adjustment factor according to the formula concerned class interval. Concerned class interval, this is 5. Next, difference 5. Next, 5. Next, 5. Next, 10. Next, 20. Next, 20. Upon lowest class interval. What is lowest class interval? That is 5. Then divide by 5. We will get 1. Again 5, 1. Again 5, 1. Again 5, 1. Then it will be 2. Then it will be 4. Again it will be 4. Now what you have to find? You have to find frequency density. How will you find the frequency density? Frequency density you will find like this. I am going to start. Frequency is given 7. Divide by adjustment factor, that is 7. Next, 10 divide by 1, 10. 27 divide by 1, 27. 15 divide by 1, 15. Next, 12 divide by 2, that is 6. 12 divide by 4, that is 3. And 8 divide by 4, that is 2. That is frequency density. What we shall do? We shall show these two terms on histogram. One is weekly wages, second is frequency density. Now you can show easily in histogram. I am going to start. Histogram, I am taking weekly wages, which is going to start from 10. So, how I will take? I will take it accordingly. I am starting from 5. So, I will start 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, last is 80. Now I will take frequency density, that is maximum 27 I have. So what I will do, I will take it accordingly, that I will show weekly wages and over axis I will show frequency density. Frequency density, it means number of workers. You will show frequency density of number of workers, that is maximum 27. I am taking 10, 20 and 30. So let us start. First is 10 to 15, that is 7. 10 to 15, that is 7 I am taking. Next 15 to 20, 10. Next 20 to 25, 27. That is 27. Okay. Next is 25 to 30, 15. Next is 30 to 40, that is 6. 7 I have taken over there, 6 is less, that is 30 to 40. Next is 40 to 60, that is 3. 40 to 60, that is 3. Below then this. Next is 60 to 80, that is 2. Below than this. What is this? This is unequal class intervals histogram. So histogram, when it will come in your exam, I think you can make it easily. I am telling you again about the histogram. Histogram are drawn. Histogram draw किया जाता है when data are in the form of grouped frequency distribution, or when the data in the form of frequency distribution of continuous series like this. Okay beta, that's why the name of the chapter is frequency diagram. Okay beta. Next topic we shall start, that is polygon. I already told you we shall do 2 topics in this video lecture, that is histogram and polygon. Histogram we completed. 2 parts of histogram we have completed. One is equal class interval and second is unequal class interval. Now we shall start polygon. Polygon is another form of diagrammatically presentation, but it is formed by joining the midpoints of histogram. It you can make with the help of histogram and you can make without histogram. There will be no problem. Which you want to do, you can do. But if in exam it is asked by you that without histogram polygon you have to make, that you will make without histogram. Or if they are asking nothing, they are saying only to you draw polygon, it's your own wish. You can make it with the help of histogram or without histogram. So I am telling you about the polygon. Polygon is another form of diagrammatically presentation of data. It is formed by joining midpoints of the top of all rectangle in a histogram. So let us start. Our topic is polygon. Okay, I am taking one statement. After this we shall start the polygon with histogram or without histogram, both we shall make. So I am taking one statement. The following table shows the number of students in a college corresponding to different range of marks in statistics. It means marks in statistics I am taking 0 to 10 to 60 to 70. Marks in statistics 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60 and 60 to 70. And number of student, it means frequency. Let's start 5, 10, 15. Number of students, that is 5, 10, 15. After this, what they are doing? 20, 12, 8, 5. 20, 12, 8 and 5. I am going to start. You will do it carefully. Okay, firstly I am making it with the help of histogram. Let's start. I will make the histogram in a simple way, which we already done. 0 to 10, marks in statistics. And these are number of students. So let's start. Maximum marks 20, minimum 5. I will take a gap of 1 centimeter. 5, 10, 15 and 20. Let us start. Firstly I will make histogram, then I will tell you how to make polygon with the help of histogram. Let's start. 0 to 10 it is 5. Then 10 to 20 it is 10. Then 20 to 30 it is 15. Gap I will take, you will take accordingly, because sometimes without measurement it can be less. That's why you have to take with the help of measurement. I will take it accordingly. 40, 50, 60, 70. Next is 30 to 40, that is 20. Next 12, 40 to 50, 12, 40 to 50. Next 8, 50 to 68. Next 60 to 75. Okay. Now I will start it accordingly. Firstly what I will do, I will take midpoints. Okay. When you are making his polygon, what you have to do, you have to make the midpoints of these. You can make like this, or what you can do, midpoint is 0 to 10, it means 5, this will be. Next midpoint 15, it will be. Okay, you can make it accordingly. The main thing is there, it always start from y-axis and end at x-axis. Accordingly we shall make it. 0 to 5 is given, I will take midpoint of 0 to 5, and 70 is there, I will take imaginary 80, imagine, and it will be the midpoint. So I will start it like this. What is this? This is a polygon with the help of histogram. If you are facing any problem, you can take your problem on WhatsApp. I will send you the data to make this histogram and tables. You have to make and polygons. Let us start. The next topic is same polygon but without histogram. So, how it will start? One different step is there. I will tell you that step, then you will make it accordingly. I will find mid value over there. Mid value, that is 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55 and 65. I am taking mid value. After this mid value, I will make it accordingly. On x-axis, I will take mid value. So, mid values are going to start from where? 5. So, I will take it accordingly. 5, that is marks in statistics. 5, 15, next what I will take? 25, 35, 45, 55, 65 and 75. I already told you about its beginning and ending. You will do yourself. So, let us start. The statement I am taking, that is quite different. I am taking the statement again. I told you about the mid values. Statement is marks in statistics, that is given 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60 and 60 to 70. Number of students 10, 15, 20, 10, 15, 20, 22, 15 and 10, 22, 15 and 10. So, let us start. Minimum is, what I have minimum? 10 and maximum I have 22. So, let us start the number of students. I am taking 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. What I have to do? I have to make polygon but without histogram. Firstly, I will take mid value. Mid value, that I am taking 15, 20 plus 30, 10 plus 20, 30 upon me 2, 15, 20 plus 30, 50 upon 2, 25, 70 upon 2, 35, 90 upon 2, 45, 110 upon 2, that is 55. Next you will find 130 upon 2, that is 65. Let us start. I already told you, when you are making polygon, the beginning and end you will do yourself. I will start beginning, I will start 0 to 10, I will take myself at my own level, then midpoint is 5. So, I will start from the 5. At 5 it is 0. Last I will take myself, that is 70 to 80. At 75 it will be 0. Rest of I will do it accordingly. Mid value 15, number of student 10. Mid value 15, number of student 10. Mid value 25, number of student 15. Mid value 35, number of student 20. Mid value 45, number of student 22. Mid value 55, number of student 15. Mid value 65, number of student 10. So, I will draw it with the help of match the points or foot rule. This is known as polygon, but without histogram. Okay beta, tomorrow we shall do the next topic in next video, that is frequency curve. But the frequency curve means you will make it with the help of free hand. Just example, I am making this point by the foot rule, but in curve you will draw it with the free hands like this. Okay beta, I hope you can understand this chapter by this video lecture easily. If you are facing any problem, you can take your problem on WhatsApp. Thank you beta, thank you so much.